This is the Soundpeats Sonic, another $50 headphone that promises a lot of good things. But is it worth the money? Well, let's start with the unboxing to find out more. Now let me tell you some of the tech specs of the Sonic which I found to be really interesting. First, let's talk about the battery life. The earbuds themselves can provide 15 hours of battery on a single charge, which is more than some of the more popular earbuds combined. And with this little pocket-sized charging case, it can support 2 full charges. Needless to say that with 1 full charge on the case, you are good to go for at least 2 to 3 days. And when they are out of charge, you can recharge this to 100% with the USB-C quick charge cable in just 1.5 hours. And in terms of connectivity, the Soundpeats Sonic connects via Bluetooth 5.2, which is better than Bluetooth 5.0 because it is able to reduce overall latency even more. On top of that, it also supports aptX adaptive codec. So if you have a device that supports this codec, then you will get some high-res and immersive audio. Now let me show you the controls on the Soundpeats Sonic. I think that they made a good decision when they decided to ditch the touch controls in favor of the physical controls, because it is so much more responsive. 99% of the time when a budget pair of headphones include touch controls, they just don't seem to work properly. But I am happy to say that this is not the case here. There is one big multi-function button on both the earphones, which is very easy to press and control music or decline or receive phone calls. And in terms of features, the Soundpeats Sonic has a few tricks up their sleeves. The main one I enjoyed is the ability to freely switch between single or twin mode. I remember in last year's models, this was a big issue. I had to reset the earbuds every time I used it on single mode because it used to stay in single mode and never reverted to stereo. But now with the Sonic, things are quite changed. Both the earphones are master earbuds. It does not matter which earphone you take out and when, because they will synchronize seamlessly. Another feature is game mode. To enter to this mode, you have to triple press the multifunction button. This mode should minimize delay to ensure the synchronization of the game audio and picture. Now I tested this feature on my iPhone with a very elementary arcade game because I'm not an avid gamer myself. So I really did not find any difference when this feature is on versus when feature is off. So I'm not really sure if this feature is a gimmick or not, but good to have, I guess. But on the other hand, I think you will like the call quality on the Soundpeats Sonic. I took them outside for a sample and thought that they are decent at capturing voice. I mean, of course they are not better than the ones which have noise cancelling feature, but they are very much workable. Just take a listen for yourself. Testing the microphone of the Soundpeats Sonic. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And design wise, firstly I would like to highlight the case. It is so small and compact, but yet can store so much battery power that it is incredible. Then the magnets inside holding the earbuds are very strong too, so there is no chance of accidentally dropping them. Then I also like the design of the earbuds. It is so good to see that Soundpeats did not copy the design of the AirPods like some other budget headphones out there. It is kind of unique in its own way, which I appreciate a lot. But not only do they look good, the earbuds actually fits really nice. I wore them with the silicone ear tips that came with the earbuds and they felt really comfortable. Plus they also have IPX5 water resistance rating, so if you take them out for a sweaty workout session or even if you get caught out in the rain with the Sonic earbuds, you will be just fine. I also like the LEDs on the earbuds. I thought that it was a nice touch as it can indicate if it's charging or if it's in pairing mode or if it's just on. So that is pretty dope. And when it comes to sound, I think the Soundpeats Sonic does a good job. The earbuds goes all the way inside my ear canals, which gives a tight seal and hence ensures some good passive noise cancellation. The sound also comes out very good because of this. I found a good amount of balance on the equalizer and the soundstage is also better than the previous generation. But honestly speaking, they are not going to blow you away with sound quality, but for $50, I don't know what else to expect. I think it's alright. So overall, I'm actually really impressed with the Soundpeats Sonic. This is hands down the best earbuds that Soundpeats have created till date. I like the fact that they decided to ditch all the gimmicky features like touch controls and instead focus on improving the synchronization of mono and stereo mode. I think the whole user experience will be very pleasant with the Soundpeats Sonic and it is definitely worth the $50 and I will happily recommend this to anyone. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace!